My kind greetings to all the participants and organizing team of the conference. In the wake of technological process, the conference is of immense significance to all of us. I am thankful to the organizer for providing me opportunity to join the acknowledged platform. As myself, Dr. Suman from Bhagat Singh Mahila Vishwavidyalaya Khanpur. Today I am here to discuss the idea of physics in virtual reality and exploring the application and advancement. Why we are focusing on this virtual reality related to the physics? Because virtual reality is no longer just science fiction, it is part of our present day reality. Virtual reality is a simultaneous process that can occur anywhere in the world. Most people these days are familiar with the virtual handsets that fit over one head and can be worn like glasses or goggles. Samsung Gear VR, Oculus Gear Rift maintain some of the most popular experiences VR handsets are available in the market. These connect to the virtual experience that can be accessed via smart devices or video game consoles. With virtual reality handset, at least you will be able to have a full 360-degree experience. Those using VR having an ability to look around an artificial world with the right complementary devices. They make able to walk around and manipulate that world as well. Why we are focusing on the virtual reality? The exact history of the virtual reality is unknown, but it's been a topic of conversation from centuries. However, it is only recently that technology has emerged to transfer the fantasy into the reality. VR has many applications in different fields like healthcare. And the most important way of VR is modernizing healthcare is through training. VR facilities are an environment to learn and grow outside in the real world situation. With VR, specialists who need to perform very precise operation can practice without being in the midst of emergency. The technology also used in the cognitive behavior therapy, where patients with phobias and anxiety work through the problem is in a controlled environment. Second, it is also used for entertainment. Entertainment industry was one of the first to incorporate VR and still remain one of the strongest examples of how it can be applied. If you look at the online and console gaming, you will see that VR has strong presence in the industry. Automotive VR help car manufacturer in analyzing the road scenario and behavior of the cars. The simulated situation allows them to analyze and make changes to the prototype behavior, developing a new model of the car. And not the least, it is also very useful in education, even though the education is believed to be a rather slow industry to pick up new trends in technology. VR has already shown a lot of promises in this education scenario. For adults, it means that an industry can provide professional training to their employees. But for younger students, VR is a part of educational game, field trips, and general experience the world. And it is also used in space and military, given that these two industries have to operate in rather dangerous environment that can be easily assessed. VR provides the condition for making these as close to the real as possible for the training. VR enables training to go through the preparation with minimal risk and even help soldiers suffering from the battlefield trauma to overcome these conditions and prepare for new and unexpected situations. And it also used in agriculture. Using VR, architect can not only analyze what they are building but understand how it feels as well. This allows them to experience the space before it is built and make real-time change to deliver the customer satisfaction. It is also used in digital marketing, occupational safety, and social science, physiology, and the last is tourism. But here we are focusing on the physics of virtual reality. One of the examples of physics is quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is a physical theory that describes the behavior of microscopic matter. According to this quantum theory, microscopic can be described either as a particle or a wave, called wave-particle duality. Many students in the school or college difficult to imagine that Microscopic particles have both nature, wave or particle, but this is mainly caused by the scale of the world that the seen quantum mechanics deal with that are too small, while the wave and particle phenomena at microscopic scale are difficult to understand, measure, verify the real world. In this virtual reality technology was used to develop the techniques or the modules on the quantum mechanics that allowing learner to see the particle or wave phenomena of the electron and photon in the microscopic world through interactive operation in the virtual experiments. Or lots of experiment can be performed with the help of this virtual reality. Main advantage of the VR in physics is it can enhance the visualization of any technique. Virtual simulation for the complex phenomena. Any complex phenomena we can visualize in physics with the help of this technology. Experimental simulation can be done with the help of this VIR. And the conceptual understanding, bridging the gap between the theory and application. We can better understand any practical or theory with the help of this AI technology. The study aims at the popularization of the science education through promotional activities. Learner can wear the mounted display for immersed learning on a mobile device such as tablet, computer to facilitate the independent learning, which is of great help to physics teaching in high school and colleges. Learning may find that the understanding the quantum mechanics is not very difficult. They would like to learn and have ability to apply the new knowledge in problem solving. Or with the help of VR, we can satisfy the various problems of the physics.